Hi everyone, this is Hal and welcome to Travel Know-How. Okay, so this is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 to learn how to make some dumpling pastries, you can watch part 1, or you can just go to the shop and buy some ready-made wonton pastries or other dumpling pastries ready in the freezer. So let's follow on to phase 2, which is making the Chinese dumpling filling. We're gonna need 400 grams of pork mince, get yourself an egg, about 3 cloves of garlic, get some chives. I don't have any chives, this is just some leeks, so that's about half a cup of leeks once finely chopped, a tablespoon of ginger, which I will run that through the garlic press. Now that is very important, using the garlic press, because you want fine garlic all minced up alongside with the ginger. And there's about 1.5 cups of mushroom and a cup of onions, half a cup of sweet corn, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also gonna need a little bit of pepper, so about 1/4 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of pepper, depending on how much you like it to have a kick. That's pretty much my recipe. So let's combine the ingredients. 400 grams of pork mince there. Throw in an egg. Oh, half cup of corn, sweet corn. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Time to break out the garlic press and put our ginger and garlic through it. So I'll add in a tablespoon of olive oil now. And looking in closer, I've got all the finely chopped vegetables. So that's the mushroom there, the leek, and the onion. I'll just throw all that in. A spoon, mix it all up. Oh, and a little bit of pepper. That's it. A dumpling filling ready to go. So once you've got your filling, what you want is about a tablespoon of filling to a nice center. And if you've got fresh dough like me, if you're lucky, just fold it in half, stretch it out, and squeeze the edges. And if you want to make little pretty patterns, you can fold in the edge, start one at a time, just fold it in, top of itself. There you have it, nice little dumpling. While it's okay for the fresh made dumpling pastry to be saved for a while, and you can make a whole batch and then do the filling, but I wouldn't recommend doing all the dumpling fillings in one go, as the contents will make the pastry on the outside very soggy. So once the water's hot and boiling, you can add your dumplings in. Don't go crazy and overfill it. Let the dumplings float around freely. It's going to take around 5 to 7 minutes per batch, so keep an eye on it. Don't cook it too long, otherwise it will overcook and the pastry will fall apart. This is the finished result. Nice hot dumplings, and alongside your favorite dipping sauce. Look at that. So nice. So I dipped in a bit of soy sauce. That's really nice and juicy. Yummy. Anyway, folks, if you have fun, enjoy making the recipe, from making the dumpling pastry to the filling, I enjoy it, write a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.